I have come today to meet the Honorable Chief Minister to tell him and explain to him the ground reality, what is happening all around Goa, especially on essentials. Since there is a lockdown, essential food items, how to make it available to the general public. And in Kalangut constituency, we have made small clusters through local community, that is through village panchayats. And village panchayat is monitoring that everybody gets their food items delivered in their house. So the shop owner or the supermarket owner is making arrangement of boys, and panchayat is giving them boys from their ward, which we are asking volunteer pass, which the Chief Minister has said that panchayat can issue them the volunteer pass by today evening. And few passes in every village will be given as to volunteers who will have to be tested first that they are not the carriers of coronavirus. The basic test which has to be done of the basic test PCR and IgM. PCR and IgM test which has to be done, let the volunteers do. The panchayat gives them the letter, the deputy collector certifies it, and they give delivery to the people's houses so that people do not come and make a rush at the grocery shop. The day we opened the other day, we have seen huge rush in grocery shops, in markets, in the very purpose of lockdown was defeated. So people should get enough food grains and other essentials like milk, eggs and chicken products or whatever it is at their doorstep should be ensured by the village panchayats, by the municipalities, through the supermarkets, through the grocery shops, through the vegetable shops. So we have to make all necessary arrangements through the local self-governments, that is the panchayats and the municipalities, and like-minded people who are ready to assist. It is difficult times. We are in bad times, we can say, but we need to stand up and work, but follow the protocol given by the Directorate of Health Services, social distancing and all other things which are required to be done. The volunteers needs to be tested before they go to anybody's house to deliver their parcel of their grocery items. But today being the third day, grocery items is the need of the hour, because if you don't eat, your immune system will collapse. Then you are likely to get all the viruses or disease, whatever it is. You can get any other thing. You can get malaria, you can get any other thing. So stomach is important to be seen also at this time of the hour. So we are, and Chief Minister is convinced. We all went and we told him about this thing, and he is convinced that the food grains have to reach to people's houses. And he is also convinced that panchayats are the local bodies where if there is a demand from somebody and it has to go to the grocery shop, that particular house to be identified can be done by the volunteer of the panchayat. So every panchayat we should get around 12 volunteers depending on the size of the panchayats, and we should try and give the delivery to the people. This is what we are trying to do in our constituency, and we will help other constituencies as well, like Shualim, like Saligaon constituency. We have already taken a meeting on this.
What was the reaction on this proposal to CM?
CM has already agreed. He is saying you go ahead and do it.
Achha.
Chief Minister has agreed and told village panchayat to go ahead and do it. You give the passes. We'll show how we are making the pass also. We have showed him.
You are using police force for this?
No, we will not require police help, but this is how we will make the volunteer pass, which that person will carry, and he can have it. We'll put him in. We'll put this across his neck, laminate it, and they will have this. We'll give one copy in the police station, that these are the volunteers who will be going to people's houses to deliver essential items like vegetables and grocery items, so that every house nobody should be left waiting to see who is going to give us food. जेवणा खातीर कोण पादेशीर जावचो न्हू हे आमी काळजी घेवपाक जाय at this hour of great difficulties what we are facing today.
20.
We are I have also requested the Honorable Chief Minister that he needs to speak, the collector in North Goa and South Goa needs to speak to their counterparts, that is neighboring states, collectors which are at the borders, to open the borders for essential items, because it is in the notification of the central government that essential should reach the state. Essential items like food grains, milk products, vegetables should reach the state. So right now we are having difficulty to bring items from Maharashtra to Goa. So trucks are already on the road, but they are being stopped by the police. Police are not allowing them to move to Goa. Our Goan police are ready to accept the magistrate is already being informed. I have told the Chief Minister, use your good office, use the Delhi office, speak to the Chief Minister of Karnataka to issue necessary directions that food items coming from Karnataka, coming from Maharashtra should reach Goa. Because right now, the food items what we have got in Goa today, whatever we are holding, that is for supermarket items, I think are sufficient for 8 to 10 days. But after that we will go dry. So before that we need to have food items coming in from the other states.
Yeah. Should this all food items should be sanitized? Like from coming
No,
to the
they have already taken care of sanitization or all this thing. Only one person will bring it inside. He needs to be checked. His temperature needs to be checked. Nothing else can be done. We use the laser, thermal laser gun. Check him whether he has got temperature or not. Allow him inside. He unloads in the godown and he goes back. This is what is required to be done. We have told the Honorable Chief Minister that these are the important things which is required when the Prime Minister of the country, when the Chief Minister of the country has told the people to stay indoors. But telling them to stay indoors and not giving them food is what we are worried about, and for that we need to come out with solutions.
this is a very good solution, Michael, I see. But buying this all food stuff, we need the money. So any suggestion you had given to the CM that salary should had been paid to the private sector?
All government salaries will be paid. CM is coming out with some order, and from the government side, that all private sectors, whoever people are already working and where there are no jobs, like all the tourism sector, there is no jobs today, but the people are there. The Goans who are working in the tourism sector, it's large in numbers, say more than 1.5 lakh people from Goa working in this industry. So these 1.5 lakh people should get their salaries. Now first date will come, first, second, third they should get their salaries, so they can buy their essential items.
What about the laborers?
Labor class is what we are having a problem. All those the builder lobby or whatever, like we have Akron over here who had come to the Chief Minister, he's already given them the first installment. Though they are not working, he has already given them installment. I feel that our builder lobby should squeeze in some money and give them money for rationing. I am talking about ration. Or government also should make available through fair price shops. Fair price shops are there in Goa, so which are giving cheap items. So we give some extra food grains to the fair price shop to give to this labor industry also, because labor industry is working in Goa. Though they are not Goans, though they are from outside states, they are already here in Goa, they are working, especially the garbage cleaners, they are working in large numbers. We have all over this thing. If they are not being paid, they should be paid. So we will make sure that I'm working from my house. Right now I'm working from my house. I'm making sure that we make arrangements in our constituency, plus we make arrangement in Saligaon constituency. We had a meeting. So I'm trying to work in Sholim constituency. We are trying to make arrangements so that the grocery shops give and the panchayats coordinate to give the food items to the people in their houses.